Hi there, I'm Holly with Outdoor Furniture Plus, and I'm here with Aliana from Sunset West, and we want to talk about this most amazing chair, and I'm just going to sit in it and to show you how comfortable it feels just by the look on my face. And Aliana is going to tell you about the inspiration for the chair and a little bit about how we can use this in your own home.
Thank you. Well, please sit.
Okay.
So this is our iconic Milano hanging chair. This does come in two different colorways, as seen here in the steel rope, as well as our sand rope colorway. This is a fantastic indoor-outdoor piece. So of course, everything we do is outdoor engineered. Your rope is going to be a premium olefin exterior with a poly core, so it won't stretch over time, it won't fade over time, it's very easy to clean, mildew resistant, etc. But great indoors as well. And so we've got families that will put a pair of these on their porch, in a kid's room, in a den, or a living room. And it's cozy enough for one or for one and a half. You and a dog, you and a grandbaby, one of your kids. It has a nice weight limit of 275, so you can cuddle up in the chair. And you can use it with the complimentary stand that comes standard with the kit, or you can go ahead and mount this into a load-bearing beam with your contractor from the ceiling.
And as you can see, it was very easy to get in and out of. And if you have any questions about the Sunset West Egg Chair, please feel free to give us a call.